Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see from the title, I will be doing a how-to on how she puts on her fake eyelashes. So I'm not really a fan of wearing constant lashes just out of fear that I'm going to lose my lashes, even though I do love them for trips because it just takes the hassle away. But I love a good strip lash, and everybody has their techniques of putting them on, and here is mine. So what you will need for sure is your eyelash glue. This is the eyelash glue that I swear by. It is by Ardell. You can buy it from Target, CVS, your local beauty supply. Sometimes they even sell it with lashes. So this is the one. Sometimes I get the white adhesive or sometimes I get the dark. So I don't really have a preference over which one. I like them both equally. Sometimes I favor the dark because if I mess up, I could just leave it there and it kind of will look like eyeliner, but the white dries clear, which is also an advantage. So it's just your preference. You will also need a set of tweezers. Tweezers make it so much easier to put on strip lashes. I kind of do a hand-eye coordination thing. Finger tweezer coordination thing. That works for me, but the tweezers are definitely the starting point. And then you will need a set of lashes. So I'm wearing some lashes that I've already worn. So as you see, they have a little residue on them, which I'm going to pick off. These lashes can be found on Candice.com. These are the Hollywood styles. So they're very full, very wispy, and they give a very seductive look when you wear them. You also may find it helpful to have a handheld mirror. Sometimes, more than likely, you're probably doing your makeup in the mirror, so you don't need a handheld, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be handholding it. Okay, so step one, this is the dark adhesive, so it might not show as well. I picked off as much as I could off of the strip without damaging it. One way that I typically clean my strip lashes is that I soak them in water with a little bit of Dawn dishwashing liquid, and that gets all the residue off, but ain't nobody got time for that right now. So I just take a little bit of the adhesive and take it all along the strip, the lash strip. You don't want to get it on the eyelash itself because then it could clump the lashes together and make them look all gooey, and that ain't cute. So you want to put it on the lash and kind of give it some seconds to get tacky because it just makes putting the lash on a lot easier. One technique and one way to do that is to blow on the lash. So blowing on the lash helps the adhesive to get just a little bit sticky so that it just has the easiest time going on the lash. What I did prior to filming is that I did put on mascara just to prep my lashes. Mascara kind of just extends the lash that you already have. Sometimes and sometimes not, depends on the lash curl, but it helps to make your natural lash blend in better with the false lash. Sometimes for me, because my lashes are weird curl, I believe they're like a D curl or something. If y'all know, y'all know. But sometimes that makes it more difficult, so I do a very thin layer. I don't do like what you would do if you were not wearing a false lash, just a thin layer just to give it, darken it a little bit and make it more defined. So by now, after all that talking, the lash should be sticky. So what I start with, I keep my eyes open. Some people close their eyes. I have already bad vision. That doesn't work for me. So I take the lash and I start from edge to inner. So outer corner to inner corner. And I press there, like kind of in the center, and get it sitting on the lash line rather. And then you just start maneuvering it to where you want it to sit. So I like where it's sitting, right? So now I'm gonna take the lash and just kind of squish my lashes and the false lash together. And then sometimes it's easier with the tweezers, sometimes it's just easier with your fingers. Make sure it's in place because you don't want to be out and your lashes is falling off. And voila. So you could tell the drastic difference between lash on, lash off, right? If you're a new lash wearer, you are going to have to adjust to having something on your eye. Like having lashes are like a newfound world when you're not used to wearing them, because you really do feel like Snuffleupagus. Like you are like constantly blinking and you're like, what is this? Like for even me, these are a bit on the more dramatic side than what I normally wear. So even wearing these, I'm kind of like, whew, gotta adjust. But they're beautiful, aren't they? Get them at CandiceWithAK.com. So now that that one is on, I do the same process with the other eye. So I take my lash glue, I apply it to the lash strip. I'm gonna wait for that to get tacky by blowing. I want to get my tweezers as close to that lash strip as possible, just so that it gives me just a little bit better control when trying to put it on my eye. So like I'm there on the strip. I'm like right there without being, you know, touching it, right in the middle. And see, the only problem with dark adhesive is that if it gets on your eye makeup, man, that mess is not fun. Like how I just got some here, but now I'm gonna just pretend like it's eyeliner. And voila, I have both of my lashes on. My makeup is done, my hair is laid, and I'm ready to go out and flutter my lashes and get free drinks. I'm just playing. Alrighty, so like I said, these lashes are the Hollywood lashes, available at CandiceWithAK.com. These earrings are also available. Aren't they so glamorous? Because they too are available at CandiceWithAK.com. Please like and subscribe. And if you love this makeup look that I'm giving you, please thumbs up this video. I appreciate you. Peace.